Horror story.
Horror story. Horror story.
Horror story.
Horror story.
Horror story. Horror story.
When people are talking about this knee again and again, then there must be something in it. Then I also did some research on this knee, and during the research I came to know about a shocking thing. That thing is so shocking that if you people come to know about it, you too will be shocked. The real thing is that when I was doing research on this topic, then I got to see only long videos. Almost no short videos have been made on this topic. Still, while doing research, I found a short video. You can watch it now.
Once upon a time there was an old mansion in a small village, whom people consider as ghosts. It was said that a woman's screams could be heard there at night. One night, a brave young man entered that mansion.
So today I will teach you guys to make such short videos. Making these videos is quite easy because it will require only a little bit of effort from you. The rest of the work will be done by AI. So let's start. Before starting, let me tell you that I have made this video. I have divided this video into total 9 parts, out of which you should not miss the third part even by watching it, because without it your channel may not get monetized. So watch this video carefully till the end.
The back.
To do this, we will open 11 Lab. First of all, we will open it in desktop mode. After this, we will paste the same script in it and click on Simple to Advanced. After this, you can add the voice of any character according to your choice. For now, I will add the voice of the character Neil. After adding, you have to click on the Generate option and the voice will be generated in front of you. Then you have to download it from here. When you open it for the first time, you will see an interface like this. First of all, you have to click on Open above, click on Open with File Manager, and select your voice. After selecting, click on the 3 dots above, click on Effect, and then click on Equalizer below. After clicking, you guys have to keep the settings exactly like me. Then click on Apply below. After this, if you go to the 3 dot again and click on Effect, then you have to go to Noise Reduction below and apply the same setting. After this, again going to the 3 dot and clicking on Effect, you have to click on Change Speed below and make the settings mid 3 and apply it. Again go to Effect and make it a normalizer. After this you have to save it by clicking on Save, click on Save with File Manager. When you open it for the first time, you will see an interface like this. So first click on Import above. We will add the same voice which was just edited in Lexus Audio. After adding, you have to click on the Effect option above, then many options will appear in front of you. You have to click on Silence Remover among these. After clicking, some such settings will open in front of you. First of these, you have to click on Default and click on Eliminate All Silence. Then after this, you have to go to Duration and set it to 0.5. After this, you have to click on the right above. After doing all this, all the silent parts of your voice will be removed. Then click on Save above and save it. Then go to the menu and click on File and then click on Export below. After this, your voice will be downloaded. First of all, go to Google and search for Adobe Podcast and click on the first link. Then you have to log into it. After logging in, you have to click on this option and add your downloaded voice. After this, processing will take some time and Rita becomes your voice.
Then you have to download it. After doing all this, you can see the difference between after and before. Once upon a time is a small village, a path leading to an old mansion in was.
And in my upper.
Now we have to generate an image for this story. For this we will again come to ChatGPT and ask it to write a good prompt for this story. You guys don't have to worry because I have given this prompt in the description box so that you can generate a prompt for the image of any story. So now let's come back to our topic. Here ChatGPT writes the prompt and gives it to us. Now after copying each paragraph of this prompt, we come to Lexica. Paste this paragraph here and click on Generate option. Then you will see many images related to this prompt below. Whichever image you like, you can download it from here. You have to do this for every prompt, so let me just do it quickly. So now we have all the images, so now let's come to the next point. Now for such a story, it is very important to have horror-type background music so that the audience watches our short completely. So for background music, we will go to the Mixkit website and select background music here and search for horror. Then you will find many background music below. Whichever background music you like, you have to download it from here. For video editing, I will use InShot. You can use any of them. So first of all, we will click on the plus icon and add all the images which we have just downloaded. For video editing, I will use InShot icon and add the same voice. After this, we will add background music. After adding, we will reduce its volume and click on Write. After this, we will set all the images according to the voice. Then you have to add a transition between each image. After adding the transition, you have to click on the pip option. And you have to add this overlay. You will get this overlay on my WhatsApp channel. After this, we will play our video again and see if there is any problem, then edit it properly. If sound effects are not used in horror videos, then the horror video will not have the feeling that the audience wants, so it is very important to add sound effects as well. If you use InShot, then when you click on the music option, you will get the sound effect option there. Then if you go down, you will find many sound effects related to horror. Add them properly according to your requirement. Do not forget to add them. Forget anything. Then after this, export it. Now in this video, we will add auto captions so that we can engage with our video. To add auto captions, we will come to Caption Up. And after uploading our video in it, we will select the language and click on the Generate option. Then after some processing, captions will be generated in your video. If you want to see the detailed video of this app, then you can watch this video of mine. Now export this video here. Now you can see the final result of your video.